Maybe it's an electrician out there that can explain to me this Ecosmart LED light. For some reason, it will not work in my vanity fixtures in my bathrooms. I have 4 different bathrooms and none of these lights will work in the fixtures, but they will work anywhere else in the house. I don't know why, but any other brand of LED light works. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Here at my vanity, here in one of my restrooms, I'm gonna take this Ecosmart LED light. And I've tried it everywhere else in the house and it works fine. But any of my restrooms, in the vanity fixtures above the mirrors, for some reason, they would not work. I even tried different watts of Ecosmart lights and it don't work. You see there, I plug it in and I'm gonna try it again, and same brand Ecosmart, but it's a different wattage. As you can see there, I'm gonna put it in, and this light works everywhere else except my vanities in my restroom. So I could not figure this out. I don't know if it's the wiring or, see, I'm gonna just try another place somewhere in my house, right in the hallway. See, I'm gonna put this Ecosmart light in it and it's gonna work. So if anybody out there know what the problem may be, I called the manufacturer and they never called me back. I sent an email, they never replied back to me. But I'm not gonna buy any more of them because I want it to be interchangeable. So thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. And if you can figure this out, leave a comment below. Have a great day.